Afternoon to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Britannia quarter one results which were declared today. So we'll discuss the complete fundamentals as well as the technicals of this share. We'll also see how much profit as well as revenue was increased by this particular company. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Alok Industries as well as Future Retail. I discussed all the updates on it, and people who are new to the channel can definitely subscribe the channel for all the latest updates. Now let's see the basic fundamentals and then we'll see the technicals as well. Okay, so we can see that Britannia quarter one results. Okay, profit jumps almost 117% to rupees 545.7 crore, and revenue is almost 27% up. So this news was obtained almost around 1:09 p.m. So I am uploading this video around 1:30 right now. Current time for me is 1:30, so immediately decided to make a video on it. So you can see the results are very good for the company. Now we'll see the basic overview and we'll see the shareholding of this company. So current market price of Britannia, you can see almost 3,867 rupees, almost 0.32%. It's in positive right now, and you can see market cap is around 93,000 crores. Okay, dividend yield is around 0.91. Similarly, the important thing is that PE is around 66.30, whereas industry PE is around 67. Okay, almost equal PE. We can say that almost deliveries are 35.99. Okay, this is the basic overview of the company. Now let's see the shareholding. So when you see the shareholding, you can see that almost promoters are having a decent amount of 50.61% holding and no pledging in the company. And then we can see FIIs are having almost 14.67%. Okay, so FILs are also having a good amount, and DIs are having around 19%. And main important thing is that mutual funds are increasing their holding. So you can see quarter on quarter, you can see from 4, now currently it has increased to 6. You know that the demand of this particular company is very high. It's almost into FMCG, right? So whenever food related products come, especially packed foods, those things play a very crucial role, especially in these pandemic times as well. Okay, now let's see the strengths, weaknesses, and what are the opportunities which are present in this particular company. So you can see basic strengths. You can see the company is with a high EPS growth, very good sign, and near 52-week high. We know that being FMCG company, it's trading at its 52-week high, because next if we see growth in net profit, okay, and growth in quarterly net profit as well as year on year. And this is important that company is with a low debt. Okay, not completely debt free, but it's with a low debt. That's also a very good thing. And another thing is that there is no pledging in this particular company. Okay, because this is having very strong momentum nowadays. We know that packed foods demand is also increasing. So people have added at the bottom. My first video in YouTube was on Britannia share. Okay, I have done the video almost when it was around 2,300, I guess. Okay, after that it was my first video. Later again I'm doing this second video on this particular company. Okay, that good stock it is, fundamentally very strong, and technically we'll also find out the levels. Now next we'll see what are the weaknesses. So we can see weaknesses, let me mark them. So you can see weaknesses are ROE declining since 2 years, and major fall in TTM net profit, and also companies not able to generate cash. So these are the basic negatives. Not entirely we can depend on these negatives. These are just minute negatives for the company. Okay, so what are the opportunities? We can see that high volume and high gains. I'll show you in charts also that high volume was obtained today as well, but the share price is almost only 0.3% positive right now, around 130. Next, brokers upgraded the recommendation or a target price. Next, what are the threats which are available to the company? So you can say that stock is with only high PE greater than 40. So one thing you need to remember, that when you're buying any good thing, you need to pay little high amount for that, especially on stocks which are having a very good future. Okay, next recent broker downgrades and recommend target price. Now any broker will not downgrade that. I think this is not updated. Now definitely they'll start giving the targets for this particular company. Okay. Now let's see the technical point of view of this company. So before that, when we see the returns of this company, you can see that almost in 1 year it has given a decent amount of 38.47% returns, 6 months 24.55, 1 month 13.80, and 3 months 36.70. So we know that how the recovery from 52 during the crash time, when it has fallen, the recovery rate was very high because the demand for this particular stock was also very high. Okay, so that thing also you need to focus whether the demand is there or not. Okay. Okay, rest of all, you know the products of all the Britannia Nutri-Choice, Britannia Treats, all are Britannia Jim Jam, Britannia Good Day. So these are all the products. See, everything is packed. So packed things nowadays have a very demand. Even if you see Nestle, Maggi also, almost all the Maggi packets are sold out. Okay, very quickly. So that is the demand for it. Okay. Now let's see the technicals. So on technicals, so we can see that currently we can see that it is around 3,862 rupees, and you can see immediate pivot support here around 3,772, from where it has bounced back. Okay, almost this is 1 day chart. Today only it has touched that level. Again it has bounced back because of the results which were obtained today. And similarly, you can see the volume here. Okay, today's volume, if you see compared to previous one, so high volume has entered today. Okay, and if you see the candle, previous candle was also a very big candle, but that much volume was not there. But today you can see a very huge volume was also there. So many people are still adding it into their accounts. And you can see the pivot supports around 3,772. If you want to enter at that point also, you can enter. So immediate resistance for this is around 3,941. Okay, this is the resistance also for this particular stock. Okay, today it was completely volatile. So what we can see in 1 week chart, so in 1 week chart also we can see that it has given a breakout from this 3,648 level, and now it started its journey based on the results which were obtained today. And rest of all, the volume has also increased as compared to previous week. And money flow index, what is telling, now it has entered the overbought zone because so many people have started buying this. Okay, people have bought on dips can definitely hold this stock for long term point of view. So long term, this is a very good stock. It can be a very big multi-bagger also, but you need to have patience whenever you're investing in these type of stocks. Okay. So this is all about Britannia Industries. So next video we'll discuss about IDFC First Bank as well. We'll discuss all the entire complete business of that as well. So if people who are new can definitely subscribe for all the latest updates. If you like the video, then definitely like it. So until then, take care, stay safe, goodbye.